Now I'd like to introduce Christopher and Jennifer Tolan of Ferpher Farms. Here they are.
Seems to be the future of nutrition for human beings.
They contain upwards of 40 times the nutritional content of the fully grown crop.
Giving that to other people, teaching them how to grow microgreens, giving you freedom over your own food is the best way to.
So you're getting a lot more bang for your buck.
What's going to really help in your microgreens journey is to think like a plant. And if you can master the things that it needs, it's quite simple. And we're going to walk you through it.
And mold is probably one of the biggest concerns.
2 leaves. That's the jackpot.
A common thing that you will see, it looks like it would be fuzzy white mold, but it's actually root hairs.
Not doctors, like she said.
Instructions in there with pictures of what everything looks like at the different stages if you want to see that now.
Legally, you can't say that. So we're not trying to say that. What we're trying to get you to do is research for yourself so that you know the diseases that come with certain deficiencies will never look your way. That's really what it boils down to.